I started from the runway, so कोई difference नहीं है. It's just that I think that some time has passed, and that's all. It's like a different date, different time, and I had fun.
I just spoke to JJ and he said he designed something very special for you. Any particular reason for that?
I think it's just love and affection. That's all.
What exactly were you displaying to him?
My first outfit was like a white jacket with a sweatshirt which had Valaya money emboss, and it also had white stretch pants with white shoes.
And then
Ivory actually, more than white.
display of jewelry complementing the colors as well as the collection. Something to say about that?
Yeah, I think women look great in jewelry. I think, and all women. I mean, at least you can say 90% of them are slightly fond of jewelry. And even if you like look at the woman traditionally, if you look at the woman from today, and if you look at the woman say a few years from now, they'll always be fond of jewelry. I mean, I can see a few bangles on you as well.
ओके राहुल आप एक एक्टर भी रह चुके हैं आपने रैप भी किया है एज ए डिज़ाइन आप जो डिज़ाइनर के बारे में पूछना चाहूँगी डिज़ाइनर के साथ जो आपका एक रिलेशन होता है तो कैसा होता है आई मीन आप लोग जैसे काम करते हैं हाउ डू बिकॉज यू बीन अ रैप मॉडल एज वेल एज एन एक्टर देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैट व्हेन यू कोऑर्डिनेट विद अ डिज़ाइनर हाउ डू यू आई मीन एक्चुअली कोऑर्डिनेट विद द डिज़ाइनर
I think you should just understand what he wants from you in terms of how he wants to be showing his clothes. And after a while, once the understanding is there, you know exactly what is wanted of you. I mean, I think more or less everyone wants the same thing. They want their clothes to be seen, and the clothes are the heroes, and we guys are just there to show them as well as we can. So,
लास्ट क्वेश्चन जेजे के तो आप फेवरेट है लेकिन आपका फेवरेट डिज़ाइनर
मेरे कई favorites हैं. I like his stuff. I like Narendra Kumar stuff. I like Rajesh Pratap stuff.
and the national fashion statement that you carry.
A national fashion statement for me normally is like a pair of whatever is the coolest pair of blue jeans at that point in time, and white linen shirts.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, man.